how to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see backup photos in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see the backup photos in Google Photos, let's say that you go ahead and then open the Google Photos application here, and then you want to find the photos that you've backed up. Well, first of all, make sure that you tap the profile icon and then you just make sure to turn on backup. After that, the photos that has a little check icon next to it are basically the backed up photos. So these photos are already backed up. If you keep scrolling down, you'll be able to see these check marks. This means that these photos are already backed up to your Google Photos. If you want to find the ones that are not backed up, you can come to the library tab, and then over here you should be able to see this crossed out cloud icon over here, right? So these are the photos that are not backed up, and these are the albums not backed up. So you can select that here, and then you can just choose its photos. If you want, you can back them up by turning this thing on, otherwise you can just leave it at that. So this way you'll be able to back up photos in Google Photos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.